In this video, we have to find a square root of 85 square minus 36 square. So we have a square root of 85 square minus 36 square, and a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So it is a square root of 85 plus 36 times 85 minus 36, and it is a square root, and 85 plus 36, it will be 121 times 85 minus 36, it is 49, and a square root of a times b, it is equal to a square root of a times a square root of b. So it will be equal to a square root of 121 times a square root of 49, and a square root of 121 is 11 times a square root of 49 is 7, and it is 77. So it is 77.